Hi and welcome to how to create custom Simulink library. In this video, you'll learn why custom Simulink libraries are useful, how to create one, and how to add it to the Simulink Library Browser so it's available just like any built-in library. Let's start by understanding why we actually need a custom Simulink library. When working on Simulink projects, it's common to reuse the same logic, subsystems, or block structures across multiple models. Instead of recreating these blocks every time, you can place them in a custom Simulink library and reuse them whenever needed. Using a custom library helps you reuse blocks across projects, maintain consistency between models, organize and share reusable blocks with ease, prevent accidental modifications to reusable components. In the rest of the video, I'll show you how to create your own library, add reusable blocks to it, and make it appear directly in Simulink Library Browser. Let's get started. To create a new library, first open Simulink, select New Library. A blank library opens. Although it looks similar to a Simulink model, it is specifically designed to add reusable blocks. Now add the blocks you want to reuse. These can be blocks copied from existing Simulink libraries, reusable subsystems, or individual blocks. You can also rename the blocks to keep the library organized. At this point, you have created your own collection of reusable blocks. If you would like to prevent accidental changes, you can lock the library or block links using the options available in Protect section. To learn more about these, check out the video Libraries in Simulink Made Easy, linked in the description. Now, save the library with any name you prefer. In this example, we'll call it xyz_lib. You can open this library just like any other Simulink model and use it. Alternatively, you can make it appear directly in the Simulink Library Browser, so your custom blocks are even easier to access. To do this, first, load the library file into memory using the function load_system. Next, set the library property enable repository to on using setParam function. This is a request step for the library to appear in the Simulink Library Browser. Then save the library. Now create a new MATLAB script called slblocks.m. Inside this script, add the following function. This function specifies that the custom library xyz_lib should appear in the library browser with the name xyz library. Save the script and also make sure both the library file and the slblock file are on the MATLAB path. Now open the Simulink Library Browser and refresh it. Your custom library should now appear alongside the built-in Simulink library with the name xyz library. As your library grows, it's good to organize related blocks into categories. One simple way to do this is by placing all related blocks inside subsystems. For example, you could place all your signal processing related block into one subsystem and your general utility blocks into another. Save the library and go to Library Browser, refresh it. You will now see these subset as sublibraries, making your library much more organized. And that's how you can create a custom Simulink library, organize reusable blocks, and make them available directly in the Simulink Library Browser. Thank you.